Thank you for participating in this mobility research. In this video, we will go through the different tabs in the mobile app and explain the function of each one in order to help you complete the experiment. First of all, this experiment aims to understand people's mobility patterns and how these relate to their backgrounds and travel experiences. All data collected is completely anonymized, and no identifiable information is accessible to any of the researchers. The experiment has also been reviewed and approved by the Toronto Metropolitan University Ethics Board, as detailed in the consent form. After downloading the app, make sure to allow location permissions to be set to always on, and then verify your email and phone number. Once you have completed these steps, you will see the main menu this on your screen. Your trips are stored in the Travel Diary tab, displayed in a clear calendar format and organized by day. Please note that it may take some time for your trips to appear in this tab, as the data is processed in the system's backend. Allow up to 24 hours for your trips to be displayed. In this tab, you can review your trips, check the travel modes you used, view the routes taken, and explore summary statistics of your completed journeys. There is no action required from your side here. This section is purely for your reference. Simply continue using the app until you have accumulated 14 days of activity in your calendar. To check whether you have completed the 14 days of usage, you can always check for the green tick marks in the Claim Your Reward tab checklist. The second tab, About You, contains 3 main questionnaires designed to help us understand your profile and travel patterns. The first questionnaire focuses on socio-demographic information such as your age, gender, education level, employment status, and other general characteristics that help us interpret travel patterns across different groups. The second questionnaire explores your background and integration indicators. This section is relevant to both Canadian-born and non-Canadian-born participants. It aims to capture how factors like how long you've lived in Canada and your level of community engagement may relate to your everyday travel choices and experiences. The third questionnaire examines your travel preferences. It includes questions about how you usually travel in Canada, and, if applicable, how you used to travel in your home country. This helps us understand differences in travel habits, comfort levels, and mode preferences across different environments. Once you complete each questionnaire, the section will be automatically marked as complete. You can also monitor your progress in the Claim Your Reward tab, where every requirement is clearly displayed as a checklist item. The next tab is Alternative Scenarios. In this section, you'll see some of the trips you've already completed. For each trip, you'll first be asked to confirm the purpose of that trip, for example, whether it was for work/education, leisure, or for running errands. After that, you'll be asked whether you would consider using a different travel mode for the same trip in the future, or if you would prefer to keep the same mode you originally used. Each alternative travel option is displayed with its estimated travel time and cost, helping you decide whether you might choose one of these options in the future, or simply use the same mode you used before. Once you've completed the review of your alternative scenarios, which will appear regularly as you continue using the app, and have used the app for 14 days, as well as completed the 3 questionnaires in the About You tab, you'll notice 3 green check marks in the Claim Your Reward tab. At that point, you can click on Claim Your Reward, and your reward will be sent to you by email within 24 hours. Thank you once again for taking part in this experiment. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us by clicking the Contact Support button located at the bottom center of your screen.